Hey Rob, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank you, Rob Jr., for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, this video will give you an understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories, I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Rob. It looks great. The navigation is fairly simple. A clickable phone number, this is a bonus, making it easier for the user to contact you. Overall, it's a good website, but unfortunately not enough content. This is your homepage here. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your home page. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that searchers or users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your service is landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then jump up to 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the results. Now, backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool that we use. This is a great tool to have to monitor the back end of your website. You currently have no data, but I'll explain briefly as to what this means and also comparing it to one of your competitors. The UR and DR rating here is mainly the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase the two are through backlinks and citations, which you currently have none. A backlink is a shout out or clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and DR in a 1:1 ratio. It's just good to have. It gives you more of a preference when comparing it to another website inside of Google, of course. You currently have, again, no data for backlinks and referring domains, but let's compare it to one of your competitors. This is your competitor here. Looks like this company is being found instead of you. New Image Landscape Company. You notice they have a few content, not much. Definitely not the recommended 15 minimum words. This is what they have going behind the scenes. They have over 600 backlinks, referring domain 60, organic keywords over 300. And in a monthly basis, 117 people are jumping onto their website organically. You currently have none, unfortunately, but let's say I am in the area and I'm looking for the services that you offer. This company is being found here. Instead of you, this company is taking all the calls, all the leads. Last and most important, the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. As we notice, you have 0 keywords. But looking at your competitors list here, this is their keywords list. Fairfield Landscaping, Landscape Fairfield, California. For this keyword alone, in other words, 150 people are searching every month for this service. Imagine those 150 people are finding you instead. The same goes to this one, which is 80 searches of volume in a monthly basis. This is why SEO is created, mainly to beat out your competitors so you could be found instead of them. If you are to follow these tips and tricks, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. And who doesn't want that, right? Well, Rob, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way I would stop sending you some follow-up annoying emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.